Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, welcome back to my channel. I am Rogue Marby Scott and I have got my dear friend Rose here and we are actually drinking rosé. Anyway, so I have transformed my friend into who? Audrey Hepburn. So this is the first for me where I've actually had one of my friends on the channel doing makeup with me.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Because a lot of my friends have been like, I don't want to be on your channel. I don't want to be seen in the public. I don't want to be seen on the internet. So I feel very humbled and very thankful that my friend Rose has, decided that she's going to become on the channel. Her name is Rose. So every time I speak to her, you do know that I actually buy a bottle of
Chin Chin
Rose. So this is the video and I hope you enjoy and I actually really hope you enjoyed the whole experience, and I really do hope that you continue to wear this when you go out, because we all know that you're going to go out for dun, dun, dun. Anyway, let's go on to the tutorial.
Am I gonna wear this?
Yeah.
Look like a psychiatric picture.
Okay, how does that feel? Okay.
Scary. Don't cut me.
I got my razor blade.
You said you wasn't gonna use it and change your mind.
Yeah. Because you got red around your nose.
Yeah, I know, it's because I've been blowing. Oh my god, that sounded wrong.
So starting first, Rosé's face is nicely cleaned and I'm going in with a colour correcting primer just because of her redness around her nose.
Ew. Do you know what I don't like about this primer is that it looks like, like when you squeeze a spot.
Oh yeah, and it comes out wormy. Yeah. That's
it's so
it really
gross.
does. As long as it does the trick.
Yeah.
It feels nice on.
Yeah,
It dries
so
quickly.
smooth. So have you started watching Umbrella Academy?
No, I saw it. Yeah, I saw it. Is it good? Is it about family?
It's about a family of superheroes, but they're not actually related.
I did read the
None of them are related.
I read the
It's amazing. Oh my gosh. So I'm on episode... What episode am I on? 9 now.
Right.
And I'm just like, yeah, I'm feeling it. Do you know what? I'm gonna say this again, and I always say it. I always say this. You look like your sister. No, my sister looks like me. I don't know. Like every time, like I don't.
Is it because you're so close to my face?
Like some days, like I'll be like, yeah, they're sisters, but today you actually, I think because you just put your hair up, actually, you look like your sister more. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend this in now.
I'm excited to see this on video because I like it when they fast forward it and it's just like
So Rosé, you got your and we're now going to go in with some concealer underneath her eyes just to brighten them up, and we're not going to use too much because this is quite thick. And I'm going to blend that concealer in using the same brush that I used to blend in her foundation.
So compared to how you do makeup and the way that I've done makeup on you, what are the differences?
I put my concealer on first.
Do you?
Yeah.
And you put your concealer under your foundation?
Yeah, and then I'll re-conceal it on top with a different one.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'm just going to set underneath her eyes with some translucent powder and use the excess for the rest of her face.
There's somebody.
Where is he? Oh.
It was loud. like burp.
Do I burp a lot?
You don't burp a lot, but when you do, it's loud.
Do I?
Yeah. But you know what it made me think? Because I thought we have that same disgusting laugh, so maybe it's that throat action. Yeah. Because that's where it came from. It was like. Thank God I was standing in the kitchen, so no one was around me. But then everyone on their seats was just like.
Using a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust off any excess that is remaining on her face.
I think it's a squirrel.
Believed you when you said squirrel. You just rubbed some squirrel's ass on
So now we're going to slightly contour and give some life into the skin, give it a little more definition, suck those cheeks in, honey. And we're going to start from the top of your corner and just blend.
Audrey Hepburn had a very regal and innocent look about her, so the way that I'm contouring is very light, and I'm brushing that all the way up into her hairline just to give her another, you know, chiseled look.
So how do you feel now that you're out of the hospital?
Relieved.
Like, how long was you in there for?
I just woke up from a stroke from like 3 years. Had a baby during that time, look at me. Oh my god, no, that's not funny. That was a story.
What?
That's what, no, that's where it came from. It was in the news. I was like, wait, I've heard this before. No, that's really bad. So there was a woman who was in a coma for 3 years.
And she had a baby?
And she had a baby because her carer had been while she was in the coma.
Go away.
I swear.
Go away.
I'm going to find the article for you in a minute. I'm not even joking. Oh my god, and we've just made fun of that. We're bad people. What does that tattoo actually say?
What one?
The one on your wrist.
Marby. Because I'm Marbs. Hello.
I can see the M. What's that people made up for something Marvel?
No, I'm not. I love Marvel and everything, and yes, my name is Rogue, but I would never get a tattoo of Marvel.
It's beautiful there.
Going in with a thin contouring brush, I'm just going to add some more definition to her nose. And then I'm just going to use some translucent powder to blend and buff that out so it's not too obvious. Using the palette you can see on the screen, I'm just creating a nice, pretty, highlighted look using the white and the pink in the palette. So Audrey had some quite defined and very distinctive brows, so we're just thickening up Rosé's eyebrows, and we're also going to give it, you know, a little Instagram-ish twist by carving out underneath the eyebrows afterwards.
Ooh, love that brow. I love it.
I left the highlighter on.
I think I'm more worried about doing the lips than I am about anything else today.
Why? It's got to be subtle.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to set that concealer that I've also pulled down onto her eyelids in preparations for the eyeshadow.
The baby's here. It's a boy.
You ready?
Ready.
So to emulate Audrey Hepburn, we are going in with a light wash of 2 tones of browns on her eyelids. We're not doing any cut creases or anything because it wasn't a fashion back then. So we're just making sure it's a light wash on the outer corners and blending into her inner corners, because this look is all about the eyeliner and the lashes mostly, and not the eyeshadow.
However, she only wants me to do eye makeup.
What's that about?
I'm just like,
Why just eye makeup?
You do know it's gonna still cost you.
I was gonna say, does she think she's getting it for free?
You know, you do know it's still going to cost the same
This
amount.
is not experimentation. This is wedding makeup. Like, people pay bills for wedding
exactly.
makeup. Yeah. Last all day. I want to be topped up when I want. Oh God, I can't get married. I'm too high maintenance. Touch me up. Okay, guys, we can take pictures now. I just think it's a bit of a cheek to say to somebody, oh, I went to do my makeup, but just that bit.
I just want you to do my eyes.
Yeah, just do the bit I can't do.
Do your eyes yourself then.
Yeah, that's what you should say.
Just do it yourself.
You should say your makeup comes in a package. Do you know what I mean? It's not a lucky dip. Like it's the it's the whole thing. Yay!
Starting to bring this look all together, we're going in with the eyeliner pencil first, and I am going to top that up with a liquid eyeliner, and also I'm going to carve out the bottom parts where it was a little jagged, just because I need this line to be sharp.
One of my mum's favourite songs. With the sound of music.
With the sound of music.
You sound like a horror film. Oh my God, did you do the Alexa trick?
What Alexa trick? No! No! Ow! Oh my God, I'm gonna do it.
Oh my God, I should have said it to you. I should have done it to you. Alexa, set 3 a.m.
Because you know I've got one in the bedroom as well. And they're linked.
My lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is
cool.
Now just lining her lips with a shade slightly darker than her skin lip tone.
Oh my God, we're not right. We're so not right in the head.
I was like, how did it happen? Like, did she play with it first? Do you know what I mean? Was she straight in there? Was he already? Oh no, there was so many questions in my mind. Did he enjoy it?
We must have been doing that more.
I know, but why the necessity to receive or even just give head?
Look for the bare necessity.
Very true. And then what is she getting out of it?
Did you know that Audrey Hepburn was born Audrey Kathleen Ruston? No, you do now.
But we're gonna go a bit lighter because we're gonna put some highlight on top of that.
Yeah.
Hair done, lashes on, and we're going to highlight using the same white highlighter that we used from the Sugar Trip Squad palette from NYX or NYX, and we are also going to do her bottom lashes just to give that more Hepburny look. And just to finish off this look before we get rosé dressed, we are going to place some brown on her lash line, her lower lash line, just to give it a more sultry look, to bring this look together, should I say.
guys, that's how I got the look for my friend Rose on being Audrey Hepburn, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you liked the banter. And I'm saying and quite a lot.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Like, comment and subscribe. Oh my god, yeah. Also, watch my dear knitters, you know, because this channel is mostly about makeup, but it's not all about makeup. You can stop pretending to be Audrey.
I know, but it just looks bent, like a micro penis.
We like bent penises. They get in there very nicely.
What, that way?
Yeah. Bye!
Rogue Marby Scott. For a chance to receive this box set of DVDs of Audrey Hepburn, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, follow me on all of my social medias, which will be in the description box below, or you can see them on screen now.